Hello everyone, welcome to our Management Theory and Practice series, lecture 2. I hope that you got the first lecture and you managed to grasp some concepts, and now we are going to lecture 2. In our last lecture, we managed to define some key terms in the definition of management, and in this video, we are going on further describing and defining these. So in this video, we are going to define strategy. Strategy is defined as a course of action, including the specified resources that are required in order to meet specified objectives. So it means that an organization have to decide on a course of action, and after deciding on a course of action, it has to gather the resources that are required in order to meet that course of action, and also on what exactly they want to do. Now let's take a look at the three levels of strategy. We have what we call corporate strategy, business strategy, and functional strategy. And corporate strategy looks at the business as a whole, and the organization will be seeking to answer questions such as, should we enter new markets or should we leave the existing markets? So this is what the organization will be seeking to answer on corporate strategies. So on corporate strategy, we are talking about the direction in which the whole organization want to take. So we're not talking about departments or what, but we're talking about the whole organization. Please take note of that. The second level of strategy is business strategy. It is concerned about how the organization is going to operate and develop in the markets it has chosen to operate within. And it seeks to answer the following questions: how the business is going to satisfy its key customers, and also how the business is going to compete with its competitors in the environment in which it has chosen to operate within. Now we move on to functional strategy. This is concerned more with the day-to-day running of the businesses, since the business is divided into functions such as human resource, marketing, and distribution. To illustrate on the three levels of strategy, let's take an example of a company such as Apple iPhone manufacturer. I know you all love iPhones. So Apple iPhone manufacturer implement these three levels of strategy. Let's see how. Apple's iPhone manufacturer corporate strategy was to increase customer satisfaction through offering high quality products. Their business strategy was to utilize the experienced workforce that they had, which include software engineers and gifted designers. On the functional level, Apple iPhone manufacturer human resource department hired new workers, new software engineers and designers, and the market researches were also carried out in order for the product to succeed. These are some of the strategies that were implemented by Apple iPhone for it to become a well-known mobile phone producer as it is today. Now we're going to look at how does a business come up with a strategy. Where did Apple got its strategy? How do they formulate the strategy which they used on their iPhone manufacturing concept? There are what we call models of strategy, which helps businesses in designing or formulating their strategies. Number one, we have what we call the rational approach to strategy formulation. The rational approach is defined as a logical step-by-step approach. Using this model, an organization has to first analyze its existing circumstances. Strategy analysis is defined as a research on the environment the organization is operating within and on the organization itself, using tools such as SWOT and PEST analysis. After strategy analysis, there is strategy choice, which involves choosing the best option or best options that suit the organization's circumstances. The organization will have to make choices based on the analysis that have been made on whether they had a competitive advantage in the market they want to venture in, or they are going to succeed in that market. When the choice has been made, an organization have to formulate plans, establish budgets on how to implement its strategies. The emergent approach to strategy proposes that an organization's strategy evolves and continues to change. It is a continuous, evolving, and incremental process. An incremental approach to strategy formulation says that managers should increase slowly on what they know rather than making radical changes. The freewheeling strategy formulation model proposes that organizations don't need to have formulated strategies, but they would just seize opportunities as they come. I hope you have noticed that there is a relationship between plans and strategies. Plans are used to implement strategies. Thank you. Hope to meet you in the next lecture. Thank you very much.